Li is an actor born in Shanghai, China. In 2024, he starred in Meet You at the Blossom. He has embarked on a journey that has brought him various opportunities in the entertainment industry. In 2023, he starred in I Have a Smart Doctor Wife Season 2. He has made notable contributions to the entertainment industry. The same year, he also played I Have a Smart Doctor Wife. With his impressive acting skills and undeniable talent, Li Lei is undoubtedly a force to be reckoned with in the entertainment industry. He studied at the Shanghai Theatre Academy and East China University of Science and Technology. In 2022, he starred in Love You Day and Month. His stunning looks and confident screen presence gave him the aura of a model, and soon enough, he had several thousand followers who eagerly waited for his photos.